My mobility wasn't that great.
You can now drive longer?
No, I'm not stiffer when I stop. I'm not stiff. Matter of fact, I'm
Oh,
actually doing. Actually, I'm feeling so good. Every other morning, I'm actually doing stretches and stuff. I'm feeling better enough to do my stretches like I want to.
wow. Okay.
And I got one more thing. I got it also between my neuropathy and I had swelling started to come when I go home. My swelling go down. When I get on this truck, the swelling go up during the week. Guess what? My swelling has went down a lot. When I say a lot, I can see the veins in my feet pretty good now. So between the lymphatic and the fluids, it's done diminished a whole lot.
That circulation tonic, you need a quart bottle of that.
I need that. I need. When I told you I used to be so-called vegan or plant-based, probably about 3 or 4 years ago for a year. So I used to. I know one important thing: you have to stay on the scale. So I'm always on my scale when I go home. Every week, I'm always on the scale before I leave, and when I get home, and then when I leave. Well, guess what? Since I took your stuff, I have dropped. I have dropped 9 pounds, and every time I go in, I drop 3 to 4 pounds every time I go in now and get on my scale. Between the herbs and the meat, I think the meat is the most important. I let go of that old fat back and all them oxtails and stuff. I've been on a fish and chicken diet since 2012. I never ate beef and pork since 2011-12. I just started eating that oxtail with her.
Well, James, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. Oh, this is a lifetime thing because I did this before and it was great. Then I fell off the bandwagon. I see where it'll take me. I say I'm going. This guy, I got to make this vegan thing for life. If I want to live a comfortable. You know what I told my friend? They say, you went back vegan. You think you're gonna live? You're gonna outlive us? I told him. Guess what I tell him, Rhonda? I say it's not how long I'm gonna live. It's how comfortable I'm live till I leave. You might. I say you compared to a 70-year-old vegan, a vegan and a non-vegan that eat meat and all kind of stuff. They both could die 70 years apart. But guess what? That last 10 years of that meat eater, he probably going to be in a hospital, can't get in a wheelchair. You see what I mean? I say it's all about the comfort. That's what I'm looking forward to.
You listen to the Jamaica Health Box. That's James' happy truck driver. He took the starter box. Now he needs some more circulation tonic. Go to JamaicaHealthBox.com, sign the waiting list, or just get the starter box to get started, or the supersized starter box. Take care of your health.
I was 260 pounds. I was 260 pounds when I met you guys, and you said you had something that could help me. I just went through getting the gallbladder removed, and then we hadn't spoken for a while, and then last time you called me once again. You saved the day because I was thinking about doing gastric bypass surgery, and you was like, nope. You was like, don't do that, and you stopped me from doing that. You was like, I have a natural way for you to do it. It was like you told me, you said you just have to be patient. Because with the gastric bypass, that's a fix me right now. But I found out from the doctors that that's dangerous because I have 2 cousins that I was staying with. Both of them had that done, and both of them are vomiting blood right now. I went from 365 to now 300. That was from most of the herbs that you gave me. What's the one you were saying, the one with the energy?
It was you got the Line Ready multivitamin and performance.
Yep. I was in the gym 7 days. And I was out doing most of the younger guys that was in the gym.
Give you nutrients, not food, and energy, not sugar. And you had all the nutrients.
I did the cleanse. I got all them parasites because you gave me stuff for parasites and worms. My gut felt better. Mentally, I had clairvoyance. You can't get thrown off like you told me, man. When I had that other surgery, you was like, just don't lose the faith. You got to keep it. And sometimes, you're going to get thrown some curveballs in life, man, but you just have to know how to keep standing. You have to weather the storm. Because now I'm back with you, and I'm very excited about the liver, kidney, and the spleen cleanse. I have to purchase that.
Now you have your energy. So you know how to deal
Yeah.
with the energy. You have the mindset to go to the gym. You're already changing the diet. So you're on the right
Yeah.
path. This is long term. How old are you?
I'll be 58 in March.
Got you down 60 pounds naturally. Once you get the arrowroot powder, some sea moss sometimes, but we teach you start making your own coconut milk if you can get real coconut. The more we teach you, the more you stay with your blender, you're down to 300. Goal now is to take you to 250. Let's take another 50 off the natural way once you get back on your feet.
I dealt with a lot of companies. And you know, a lot of it, you know, I'm not knocking nobody. I don't know how they use their stuff, but to me, it's like, you know, they could do better. A lot of those companies could do better.
We have a waiting list, and we call everyone and talk to them and get to know them. You see, because it's not a product, it's an energy. We're not in the product business, we're in the energy business. We're in the energy business. So 2 hours a day sometimes. My days are filled with just talking to people, whether they buy or not, because in order for us to learn the pain that's in the world, we let them give the pain to us. I contact the herbalist and say, this is the pain that's out. We have our meetings and we say, okay, this guy in New York, he has this job. He's working hard. He's going to always eat meat. How we're going to treat 1,000 people eat meat? How are we going to teach them? We're not going to tell them not to do it. We'll teach them how to do it, right? But we'll teach people how to live their life. We're not going to tell them not to live their life, right? You see what I'm saying? So for most clients who quit smoking and people who stay with us, the first thing we try to do is to get to know them, not just their health issues, because we believe the health starts with the mind.
You guys, I mean, man, the time that you put into people, you know, you guys, man, y'all put so much into people, man, and y'all want everybody to win.
Yes.
You know, it's not about, okay, well, I have this and I have that. But like I told you, you know, I won't say names, but, you know, I gave everybody a chance.
Spiritually, if you stay focused on the information between me and you, nobody else exists. So if nobody else exists, we're in our circle. So spiritually, what we practice is if me and you stay in our circle, we're focused on our village, our issues.
You're right.
And what we try to teach our people is when they say, oh, they did, who's they? I don't know who you're talking about. Who's they?
Yeah, you're
right now it's just me and you. There's nobody.
Yeah.
So what we do with the mind is to lock off any other energy. Because the brain is a funny thing. Once it starts thinking that something is bad, that energy comes in the circle. So what we do, we keep everything in the circle we're building good.
Okay.
So when we're teaching, we're not saying this is bad for you. We say how to deal with it in the circle, how to live. So we don't preach anything negative in the circle, and we don't see anybody. We don't see a system. We don't see a country. All we see is all that works. This is going to work for you. This is going to work. And so we keep our mind in that space. You see what I'm saying, my bro?
Give us a little testimonial.
If you knocked it, any signs of cancer out of the body, it was the D-answer. You know, because I've been taking that, you know that, for over a year. You know that, man. Come on, look at your records and you'll see. I've been taking D-answer for over a year. I think way ahead. This is how I think. I know I was having problems with the prostate.
The answer, do you feel it helps you?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's all what I'm saying. Remember, I keep telling you, I'm an audit once a month. I'm serious. The letter's right here by my desk. No cancer in your rectum, in your colon, whatever you want to call it. You know you was on the phone with me, whatever, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. That was my female doctor saying no cancer in your prostate, partner.
You swear by the answer.
Yeah. Ronnie, I would not be saying it, bro. I'm 72 years old Monday. I'm not going to sit on this phone and lie to you like that. No. Remember, I just said it. I'm going to order it once a month. And, of course, you know why I'm ordering it once a month, to fight anything trying to grow. Just like the old people taught us when we was coming up. Prepare for war in time of peace. That's all what I'm doing.
All right, thank you.
I just told a dude before you called, a friend of mine that's coming by tomorrow to visit with me. We're going to hang out and eat and stuff like that and just kick it. He's old like me. I told him, just like I'm telling you, I got a juicer now. He's getting a juicer. His buddy got a juicer because of me. And then I said, let's eat these vegetables. Fruit is okay, but let's eat this green and juice this green. Ain't nobody telling you on TV. I just said it. Ain't no movie star. Ain't no big personality coming on, no football player, none of them on TV. Change your diet. Change the way you think. Let's be better individuals and better collectively. Minister Farrakhan, the Nation of Islam, all those people, ministers, have tried and tried and tried. Yet they are effective, but for the most part, we stupid.
When I first met you, what did we do for you? What did we tell you?
You did good. This is what I'm saying. But all I'm saying, my brother, is nobody big is on TV. And you know, you guys are growing, but you're not on TV, you know, espousing this. You know, I see your videos all the time. And of course, you know, talking to you inspire me and all of that to do better, go better. But, you know, this is not on TV.
Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com.
You took the prostate box. Talk about it.
It was amazing. It really was. The difference was just noticeable. It wasn't no delay. It really, within that time period of me taking it, it was a night and day difference.
How long ago did you take it?
I took it probably about 2 months ago. I want to say 2 months ago. I'm telling you. As a matter of fact, I referred a couple people to you. But I know for myself that it's a noticeable night and day. It's like I'm back 20.
Wow.
I'm 52. It's like I'm back in my 20s. Yeah, I just felt that's why I recommended you guys to a couple people. I usually don't hand out recommendations like that. But I said, man, this thing really works. No, the CKLS,
Yes.
that
yes.
one,
Yes.
that stuff is amazing.
Yes.
That
yes.
right there is what started it all.
Yes.
Because it just cleaned you out. And I was like, wow, it just brought me back to my childhood.
Wow.
You know, with that whole, when your mother give you the Cersei
Mhm.
and all of that to drink. I
Yes.
was like, okay. Y'all doing something over there, so it's something good.
So how old are you?
52.
All right. So your wife is happy?
Oh yeah. Well, she's not happy. You know why she's not happy? Because I keep pestering her about something. I keep asking her for something. You know what I mean?
Before our herbs, you didn't pester her that much.
You know what? I just you feel tired because number one, you're going to the bathroom constantly
Mhm.
at night. You go to the bathroom constantly at night, and it's like, I'm tired. I'll just wait. Now, I'm ready to go.
And she's like, "What's happening? What the heck is going on?"
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I was talking to this guy and his wife. You take that, she's gonna be looking at you like, can't you just wait a couple? Just leave me alone, please. He's telling you. So he's excited about it. As a matter of fact, he ordered it right then and there. I said, man, I'm telling you, this thing works. Because I was getting scared, to be honest. I really don't want to deal with the Western medicine. I'd rather deal with a herbalist, stuff like that. I said, I really don't want to deal with them in their creek. And I'm glad I found you guys, and I see the
Yes.
what is that?
Results.
Just the difference. There's a total difference.
Yes.
Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com.
I do take that other, it's for the energy. I still take those. I take probably one every other day.
Which one is that?
Lion Ready.
That's the Lion Ready multivitamin, and you feel strong, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See, I take that one because, I work at night. I just woke up. I take that at night, to really zoom around the job. We security. We don't be bothered.
With the Lion Ready, you feel like you're always ready, right? You feel
That's what I'm saying. I like it because it make me zoom, because I be zooming, man. I'm serious, I be zooming.
When you say zooming, what do you mean?
Energy-wise.
72.
Yeah, Monday, April 21st. Yeah, man, this dude that's coming to hang out with me tomorrow, he said, man, you move like a teenager. And I do, man. I do my little exercises, calisthenics, push-ups, set-ups, that kind of thing. And I'm into positive thinking. I listen to those kind of tapes, subliminal tapes. See, I'm into manifesting. We have a millionaire friend, but he's sick. I'm here. I'm here for the long haul.
Thank you for taking our directions, and thank you for loving yourself.
Thank you. That's right. And I do love myself.
Take care of yourself. And love yourself.
Thanks, Ronnie. Same.
Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com. Lion Ready Performance. Lion Ready Performance is designed to support stamina and boost libido with a powerful blend of natural ingredients including zinc, tonkat ali, maca, and L-arginine. This formula aims to enhance testosterone levels, improve mood, reduce stress, increase muscle mass, and boost overall performance. Key ingredients and benefits: maca root powder boosts libido and enhances sexual desire in both men and women, supports male fertility by increasing sperm count. Tonkat ali naturally increases free testosterone levels, reduces stress, enhances mood, supports sexual health and performance. Saw palmetto promotes prostate and heart health, may help reduce hair loss and symptoms of an enlarged prostate. L-arginine improves blood flow by boosting nitric oxide levels, enhances exercise performance and muscle recovery, supports fat metabolism and helps regulate blood pressure. Panax ginseng enhances energy, endurance, and sexual health, supports brain function and reduces inflammation, helps balance blood pressure levels. Sarsaparilla root, rich in antioxidants to support immunity and skin health, aids in detoxification and inflammation reduction. Pumpkin seed extract supports prostate and urinary tract health, boosts immune function. Muira puama extract enhances sexual vitality and increases blood flow, reduces stress and fatigue. Oat straw supports heart health and antioxidant function. Nettle helps regulate blood sugar and improve urinary health. Cayenne pepper relieves muscle soreness and cramps, boosts metabolism and circulation. Astragalus root strengthens immune function, supports digestive health and blood sugar balance. Licorice root has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Tribulus terrestris enhances sexual health, testosterone levels, and athletic performance, supports cardiovascular and joint health. Boron improves bone strength, muscle function, and hormonal balance. How to use it: take 3 capsules before bedtime for optimal results. Get yours today at Jamaica Health Box colon, kidney, liver, spleen cleanse. If you're ready to clean your body but don't have a big budget, this is where you start. Trusted for over 47 years, CKLS is one of the most powerful herbal cleanses to detox your colon, kidneys, liver, and spleen, all for under $100. This formula helps eliminate parasites, worms, mucus buildup, and harmful toxins. It supports digestion, reduces stress and inflammation, and promotes better energy and clarity without harsh cramping or discomfort. CKLS can help with constipation and waste buildup, headaches, sluggishness, and skin issues like eczema, intestinal healing, and mucus lining repair. What's inside? A blend of 10 powerful herbs. Aloe vera resin soothes the gut, boosts immunity, and supports detox. Chamomile calms the body, aids digestion, and reduces inflammation. Cascara sagrada, natural colon cleanser and laxative. Chaparral, liver detox, skin support, and antimicrobial. Mullein clears mucus, supports lungs and immune system. Uva ursi cleanses kidneys and bladder, reduces water retention. Fenugreek improves digestion, reduces gas, and supports liver. Cayenne boosts metabolism and improves circulation. Dandelion, liver detox, bowel production, and antioxidant rich. Eucalyptus clears congestion and fights bacteria and viruses. These herbs work together to detox and renew your system from the inside out. Ready to start your cleanse? Visit Jamaica Health Box. Call us, email us, or sign up on our website's waiting list. This is our top recommended formula, CKLS, colon, kidney, liver, and spleen cleanse. 47 years in use all over the world. Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@jamaicahealthbox.com.